Mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution. The presence of pi electron cloud above and below the plane of benzene ring make it susceptible to attack by electrophilic reagent. Therefore, aromatic substitution reaction are initiated by substances which are either electrophilic themselves or which generate some electrophile particle. The electrophilic reagent then attack the aromatic compound to form intermediate, which is ultimately gives the substitution product. This mechanism involves following steps. Step number 1, that is the generation of electrophile. Step number 2, that is the formation of carbocations. And step number 3, that is the abstraction of the protons from the carbocation. So let us consider this mechanism in detail. The first one, that is the generation of the electrophile, and it is the preliminary step, and it involves the generation of the electrophile E positive from this hypothetical reagent. And this electrophile, it is electron deficient and it is always in the search of electron rich center. Then the step number 2, formation of carbocation. The electrophile generated in step number 1, that will attack in this step on the ring that will having the pi electron cloud, and in this case electrophile get attached to one of the carbon atom by means of a pair of electrons which were initially in the pi electron cloud. And this one is the slow step, so it is the rate determined step, and it can lead to formation of resonance stabilized carbocation. And this resonance stabilized carbocation stabilized by these 3 flowing structures. The carbocation intermediate form, it is called rhenium ion or sigma complex or Wieland intermediate. This carbocation is non-aromatic in nature. It is due to the fact that it has only 4 pi electrons which are delocalized over 5 sp2 hybridized carbons. Then the last step, that is the abstraction of protons from the carbocations. The reaction is finally completed by the abstraction of proton from the carbocations by the base. The loss of the proton enable the 2 electron of carbon hydrogen bond to go back with the ring, so that stable aromatic system that will regenerate again. So this one is the first step. So mechanism involves step number 1, that is the generation of electrophile. Step number 2, that is the formation of carbocation. And step number 3, that is the abstraction of the proton from the carbocation. Evidence for stepwise mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution. It is very much clear from the mechanism of aromatic substitution, which will involve various steps. In this mechanism, the step which involves the addition of electrophile to aromatic ring, which is the slow step and rate determined step, and it can lead to the formation of this intermediate carbocations. And the next step which is relatively fast step, involves the elimination of the proton from intermediate carbocation by the cleavage of this carbon hydrogen bond. And this mechanism, it is fully supported by isotopic tracer technique. In this case, an comparative study has been made. The case number 1, which having all the protons, and case number 2, the proton that is replaced with heavier isotope of hydrogen, that is the deuterium, having mass number 2 AMU, and these both are subjected to substitution reactions, and it has been found that both the reaction will occur with same rate, the rate of electrophilic substitution, that is similar in both the cases. In other words, no isotopic effect was observed in this case, since a carbon deuterium bond is broken slowly than carbon protonium bond. The absence of isotopic effect in aromatic substitution can be justified only if the rate determined step of reaction does not involve any cleavage of carbon hydrogen bond. This means that the final step involving the abstraction of hydrogen ion through the cleavage of carbon hydrogen bond cannot be rate determined step. Therefore, the step leading the formation of carbocation must be rate determined step and does not involve any cleavage of carbon hydrogen bond. So it is all about the evidence in the favor of stepwise mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution. Next is the energy profile diagram for aromatic electrophilic substitution. This diagram gives an idea of the relative energy of the reactant, the carbocation intermediate, and the final product. It will comprise of 2 steps according to the mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution. In step number 1, electrophile that will attack on the benzene ring and lead to the formation of rhenium ion or sigma complex, which involve high energy transition state TS1 and has high activation energy, that is equal to EA1. This is quite understandable that because in this process benzene ring loses its resonance energy and aromatic stability, thus this reaction is highly endothermic and take place at a rather slow rate. So step number 1, that is the slow. It may be noted that in transition state 1, the bond between electrophile and a carbon of the ring is only partially formed. Then the step number 2, in this reaction rhenium ion get converted into the final substitution product, which is highly exothermic and has a very small activation energy, that is equal to EA2. This is because in this process the resonance energy and stability of benzene ring that is restored again. In this process, transition state, that is TS2, having bond between same carbon of the ring and hydrogen, which is partially broken. So in case of TS1 and TS2, in TS1, the bond between carbon and electrophile that is partially formed, and in case of transition state 2, the bond between carbon and hydrogen that is partially broken, and carbon that is the same, and finally product will get formed. Next is the formation of sigma and pi complex in aromatic electrophilic substitution. It has been very much clear from the mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution. In the first step, the electrophile attack the aromatic ring to form an non-aromatic intermediate cation, which is called rhenium ion or sigma complex. The name sigma complex arises from the fact that the electrophilic reagent actually get bonded to the ring carbon atom by sigma bond. However, in many cases it has been suggested that the electrophilic attack on the benzene ring initially lead to the formation of a pi complex between ring and the electrophile. In this complex there is no actual bond formation take place. What electrophile is merely held close to the aromatic ring by pi electron cloud of the ring. So it is the step number 1 in reaction, that is the addition of the electrophile to the benzene ring. First of all, this pi complex will get formed and there is no actual bond between electrophile and benzene ring. Then finally this pi complex, it will lead to the formation of the sigma complex, and in sigma complex there is a sigma bond between carbon of the ring and electrophile. Then similarly for the second step, that is the elimination of proton from the sigma complex, take place again via pi complex formation, in which the bond between carbon of the ring and hydrogen that break heterolytically, and this proton it can depart from the ring. First of all, pi complex will get formed. In this case there is no any actual bond between ring and proton, but only attraction between the electron of the ring and proton, and finally it will get departed from the ring and converted into substitution product. It may be pointed out that in most of the aromatic substitution reaction, it is the formation of the sigma complex which constitute the rate determination step, but there are some evidence are also which show that in some aromatic substitution even the formation of pi complex could be the rate determining step. So let us consider this energy profile diagram. In this case, the formation of sigma complex is the rate determining step in case of aromatic electrophilic substitution. So it is very much clear from this diagram. The maximum activation energy that is corresponding to the formation of transition state for sigma complex, and the second case that is for the formation of pi complex, which is the rate determining step in aromatic electrophilic substitution, and it is very much clear from this profile diagram that the transition state for the formation of pi complex has the maximum activation energy. So it is all about the formation of sigma and pi complex and their energy profile diagram in case of aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions.